When it comes to choosing a projector that combines strong performance with everyday practicality, this model brings a well-rounded experience. The Ricoh PJ WUL5A50 is designed for users who want powerful visuals, flexible setup options, and long-term reliability without unnecessary complexity. The first thing you notice is how compact and minimal the design is. It's built to be portable enough for different setups while still feeling solid and professional. Whether placed in a meeting room, classroom, or living space, it blends in easily and doesn't demand too much attention. Performance is where things really start to shine. With 5,200 lumens of brightness, this projector delivers a strong and consistent image even in rooms with ambient light. You don't need to rely on a completely dark environment to enjoy clear visuals. Colors remain vivid, and text stays sharp, making it equally effective for both entertainment and professional use. The WUXGA resolution at 1920 by 1200 adds extra vertical detail compared to standard Full HD. This makes a noticeable difference when working with documents, presentations, or detailed visuals. Everything appears slightly more spacious, which improves overall readability and viewing comfort. It also supports 4K input, which adds an extra layer of versatility. While the native resolution isn't 4K, it can process higher resolution signals and scale them effectively. This results in sharper visuals when connected to modern devices, giving you a more refined viewing experience overall. Another strong point is the wide projection range. You can scale the image from a small 30-inch display to a massive 300-inch screen. This flexibility allows it to adapt to different environments, whether you're hosting a presentation or creating a large cinematic setup at home. Installation is designed to be as flexible as possible. With full 360-degree positioning, the projector can be mounted or placed in various orientations without limitations. This opens up creative possibilities and makes it suitable for more than just standard front-facing projection. The laser light source is one of the biggest long-term advantages. With a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, it reduces maintenance significantly compared to traditional lamp projectors. You get consistent brightness over time without worrying about frequent replacements. For audio, the built-in 16-watt speaker provides a convenient solution. It's not meant to replace a dedicated sound system, but it's perfectly capable for everyday use like presentations or casual viewing. The clarity is decent, and the volume is sufficient for most environments. Connectivity is simple and efficient. It includes the essential ports needed for modern devices, and setup is quick without unnecessary steps. It's designed to get you up and running with minimal effort. Overall, this projector delivers a balanced mix of brightness, flexibility, and durability. It's a solid option for professionals, educators, and home users who want a reliable large-screen solution that works consistently over time. If you're interested, check the link in the description to explore more details and current pricing.